Okay, I'm going to remove the smoke assembly after being on the treadmill for an hour and a half. This is the engine that I abused during that time. This is the smoke. Let's see if we can see anything untoward. Very, very smooth. You can still hear the chuff and puff. Well, I don't see any cracks anywhere, just some discoloration. No heat. The cylinder looks fine. See if I can get this thing to help me a little bit here. Yeah, it looks quite good. I wiped it down. Looks like I could use another wipe down, but wow, I don't see any wear or cracks. There was some ribs in the sides on the printing process, but I felt that the edge and the leading edge here was pretty square, and it looks like that's played out. A little tight on the end there, a little bit maybe. I can feel a little extrusion, like it was the Z is too low, just like a millimeter or so. I don't see any wear. I don't see anything that was suggested had been overheated. It went an hour and a half. I had the temperatures, the volume, the voltage to the motor was up to as high as 12 volts. The heater was getting 9 volts, so it was smoking the whole time. Wow, I would say for an hour and a half, the first time ever, that's pretty darn good. I would give that a good grade. I would say that's probably A minus. I'd like to get that elephant foot off of there and get this texture a lot smoother, and then I would say it'd be a very nice looking part. But I don't see any area that has shown stress or wear or fatigue or anything that would worry me to put that in a customer's engine and send him down the road and say, you're fixed. Yeah. I see there's a black shiny spot right there, and I'm not sure if that was from the piston or the shape of the shaft, or maybe there was a little burr, or yeah, there you see it's the top of this, and it's probably getting pushed and it's cocking a little bit, so it's getting pushed in, and when it is, it's being pushed from the down low on that side like that. So it's probably doing something like this. It's pushing it in like that and pulling it out like that. That's probably what it's doing, just because of the slop in the fit. I'm gonna get this lip better so it doesn't have the elephant foot piece. It's kind of bulged out at the base. Like, we're gonna make it so it's perfectly square, and that might allow me to increase this, a 0.05 millimeters or something like that, to give it a nice snug fit. It won't be that rocky thing. I think that's what that is, unless that's part of the manufacturing. I'll have to look in some others. I don't have that many of these. Oh shit, I put oil in there and I forgot I didn't have a lower. Oh no. Yeah, well, it didn't seem to cause too big of a problem. I didn't have I don't have a lower. I just squirted. Oh yeah, I did. Okay, don't worry about it. It's okay. On the other side of things, we found wheels and cleaned them, and I'm having them ready for assembly. Two there, two here, two to go. I got these fitted. I think they're okay. I'm using the guide pin like that. Say that's up and that's to the rear, and I line those up, and then I use my spacers, and then I squish them in. They're pretty snug right now, but when I pull them out, then it's loose and free. And thing is, it's square. The wheels are spaced exactly right, and the gear is exactly right. So I like that a lot. Okay, that's gonna do it for today. I went through a few wheels, Leon. I went through a lot of wheels. Some of the wheels I found had dowel pins in them, and that was an early repair from the 40s when they found the white wheel, the white insulator was shrinking and the wheels were getting loose, they authorized the shops to drill holes and put pins in the wheels to lock them in. Unbelievable. If you've never heard of that story, that's true. Okay, so these are the wheels for tomorrow. These are the wheels for tomorrow. I'm going to move this around a little bit, get rid of that. And this is Gil, and this is Rodney, and this was the test mule for the smoke test. Did a stellar job. If I showed you this, you would not understand it. But at any rate, this is a Fat Man, but the whole system is pretty hosed right now, and I really can't remove them. Okay, I'll get to that another day. Oh, and I found some more smokes that I had built up for a project, so I have my smoke housings, perfect, good ones, brand new, never been used, in the right material. So I think tomorrow should be a wonderful day to get this guy up and running with Puff and Chuff and his smoke mount, and bada boom, bada bang. Okay, that's it. I'm out of here. Later.